Ashley Michelle, and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to start this new I am so thrilled to start this YouTube channel. I've learned so many tips on natural hair, tips on skincare routines that have helped me tremendously, and also smart makeup budget type of routines that help me, because I love to be on a budget. I love to save, and I'm so excited. I'll also be sharing a lot of vlogs with you guys because I love to travel, and that's something that I would love to share with you guys of when I go on my trips. I just did my big chop last month, August the 8th, 2018. And my hair is already growing tremendously. I'm so thrilled to share any possible tips on natural beauty, on self-confidence. I'm all about beauty. I'm all about self-confidence, self-esteem. And as a lot of those 4C girls just need another woman to encourage them, to make them feel beautiful, or the woman with darker complexion to encourage them and make them feel beautiful. So please subscribe to my channel. I'll have more videos coming soon, and I'm super excited. Have a awesome day.